this month. Winners are not people Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Good morning everyone. My name is Sachit. I will be hosting today's Yoga Day and Environment Day program. We will begin the program with our school prayer by Manya. I request everyone to stand up for the prayer.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्यां द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव. Thank you.
Thank you, Manya. Now, next is Invocation Song by Harshita.
Good morning, everyone. सुख करता दुख करता वाता वेदनाची नुरवी पुरवी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांकी सुंदरावटी शेंदुरांची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता पळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन माते मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ति दर्शन माते मान कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshita. Now, thank you, Harshita. Now is the welcome speech by Namrita.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. From environment, we get oxygen, fruits, vegetables, and flowers. So, environment is very important. When we read, our vocabulary improves. So, reading is important. When we listen to music, we get relaxed. So, music is important. When we do yoga, we get fit. So, yoga is also important. I welcome everyone for today's program in which we are going to celebrate Environment Day, Reading Day, Music Day, and Yoga Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrita. Now, a talk about environment by Shobita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm talking about Environment Day. In life and death situation like the COVID-19 pandemic, we need to question ourselves. Where did we go wrong? Cause nature did not create this crisis, we humans did. The emergence of COVID-19 might have appeared an act of nature, but it was entirely predictable because by destroying nature, we destroy ourselves. Since the outbreak of technology and industrialization, humans have had a negative impact on the environment such as air pollution, habitat destruction, water pollution, the burning of rainforest and land pollution, etc. Mother Earth gives her gifts for all to share. She gives them freely, yet she is still aware that things are changing. Perhaps for the worse, how much more can she give if our future is cursed? It's way past time to put Mother Earth first, to clean up the water before we all thirst, to clean up the air before our lungs sicken, to renew the soil and feel it quicken. How long until the point of no return? How much longer until we all finally learn that do this task we all must rise and stop abusing Mother Earth before she dies. The year 2020 will always be remembered as the year of pandemic, so this is our moment. We cannot turn back time, but we can grow trees, green our cities, rebuild our gardens, change our diets, and clean up rivers and coasts. We are the generations that can make peace with nature. Let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. I conclude by saying we can't go against nature, cause if we do, that's a part of nature too. Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, Shobita. Next is Nature Song by Nitya.
ಆಕಾಶ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ದೇವರಿತ್ತ ಗಾಳಿ ನೀರು ಹೊಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಋತುಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿದ ಶೀಲವಂತೆ ಧರಣಿ ಋತುಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿದ ಶೀಲವಂತೆ ಧರಣಿ ಮಳೆಯ ಹೀರಿ ಬೆಳೆಯ ನೀಡಿ ಮಳೆಯ ಹೀರಿ ಬೆಳೆಯ ನೀಡಿ ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ಕರುಣಿ ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ಕರುಣಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೈವ ಎಂದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೈವ ಎಂದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೂರು ಅನ್ನವಿಟ್ಟ ಅಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಅನ್ನವಿಟ್ಟ ಅಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಬೈಯಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೂರು ಬೈಯಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೂರು ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಲಿ ಆಗಸ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Very nice.
Thank you, Nitya. Now, Inchar will speak about the importance of music.
Importance of music. Music can stimulate the mind. It can raise someone's mood, get them excited, or make them calm and relaxed. Music is the most influential tools for conveying feelings. It develops our brain and the abilities associated with it. Music defines cultures and reflects the society and the individual within it. It helps us in our peace of mind. Music has a different role to play in every individual's life. Thank you.
Thank you, Inchara. Next, we have a presentation about music by Ananya.
Good morning everyone. Now I am going to tell about famous musicians. Shri Pandit Bhimsen Joshi was a legendary Hindustani classical vocalist as well as for his popular renditions of devotional music, bhajans and abhangs. He was honored with Padma Shri in 1972, Padma Bhushan in 1985, Padma Vibhushan in 1999, Karnataka Ratna in 2005, Bharat Ratna in 2008, Lifetime Achievement Award by Delhi government and many more. Shri Pandit Ravi Shankar was one of the India's most famous musicians. Shankar was one of the first to bring aspects of tradition into Europe and United States. Shankar is famous for playing the sitar, an Indian stringed instrument. Shri M.S. Subbulakshmi was a Tamil Carnatic singer and actress. She sung in lots of different languages. Her first recording was released when she was 10 years old. She was the first ever musician to get Bharat Ratna, an Indian highest civilian award. She got awards such as Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Kalidas Samman for classical music and many more. Shri Balamurali Krishna was an Indian Carnatic vocalist, musician, multi-instrumentalist, playback singer, composer and character actor. He was awarded the Madras Music Academy's Sangeeta Kalanidhi in 1978. Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam was an Indian playback singer, television presenter, music director, actor, dubbing artist and film producer who worked predominantly in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi and Malayalam films. He won 6 National Film Awards for Best Male Playback Singer. Shri Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia is an Indian flutist in the Hindustani classical tradition whose performance and compositions brought global recognition to the bansuri, a simple side-blown bamboo flute. Shri Zakir Hussain is an Indian tabla player, composer, music producer and film actor. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1988 and the Padma Bhushan in 2002 by the Government of India presented by Abdul Kalam. He was also awarded the Sangeet Natak Academic Award in 1990. A.R. Rahman have got the Grammy Award in 2010, Academic Award in 2009. The original name of Rahman is Dilip Kumar, Indian composer whose extensive body of work for film and stage earned him the nickname the Mozart of Madras. Vijay Prakash is an Indian singer and music composer. He won the Karnataka government's Best Playback Singer Award for the year 2016. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya. Now a song by Shobita.
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभासितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदाशिवलिङ्गं देवमुनिप्रवरार्चितलिङ्गं कामदहनकरुणाकरलिङ्गं रावणदर्पविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदाशिवलिङ्गं सर्वसुगन्धसुलेपितलिङ्गं बुद्धिविवर्धनकारणलिङ्गं सिद्धसुरासुरवन्दितलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदाशिवलिङ्गं कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं पणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदाशिवलिङ्गं कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहारसुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदाशिवलिङ्गम् देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भाव्यभक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिनकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् अष्टदलोपरिवेशितलिङ्गं सर्वसमुद्भवकारणलिङ्गम् अष्टदरिद्रविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं सुरगुरसुरवरपूजितलिङ्गं सुरवनपुष्पसदार्चितलिङ्गं परम्परात्मतलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. Thank you.
Thank you, Shobita. Now, Manish is going to chant a shloka.
A very good morning to all. Hope all of you are doing good. I'm here to sing a shloka. Here I go. Namaste Mahamaye Shreepete Surapujite Shankachakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostate. Thank you.
Thanks, Manish. Next, we have a presentation about yoga by Raghavendra.
Benefits of yoga. Good morning to one and all present here. Meaning of yoga. Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science, which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art and science of healthy living. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or to yoke or to unite. Yoga helps us in decreasing stress and anxiety. It also helps by improving cardiac health, quality of life, and helps us to get good sleep. It improves our concentration, flexibility, and balance. It even aids in breathing and increases physical and mental strength. It is also beneficial in getting relief from back problems and others such as joint pain, depression, and so on. Thank you.
Thank you, Raghavendra. Now, Harshita will chant a shloka.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति shantihi. The meaning of the prayer is, may we all be protected, may we all be nourished, may we work together with a great energy, may our studies be effective, let there be no sympathy among us, peace in me, peace in nature, peace in divine forces. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshita. Next, we have a demonstration of yoga asanas by Samiksha.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do some yoga asanas. First is Tadasana, Tadasana. Next is Ikshasana. Next is Dhanurasana. Thank you.
Thank you, Samiksha. Now, Brinda will give information about different types of yoga. Brinda, you're muted. You're muted.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be telling you the different types of yoga. Astanga Yoga. This type of yoga practice uses ancient yoga teachings. Hasta Yoga. This is a physical and mental branch that aims to prime the body and mind. Raja Yoga. This branch involves meditation and strict adherence to a series of disciplinary steps known as the 8 limbs of yoga. Karma Yoga. This is a path of service that aims to create a future free from negativity and selfishness. Bhakti Yoga. This aims to establish the path of devotion, a positive way to channel emotion and cultivate acceptance and tolerance. Jnana Yoga. This branch of yoga is about wisdom, the path of scholar, and developing the intellect through study. Tantra Yoga. This is a pathway of ritual, ceremony, or consummation of a relationship. Thank you.
Thank you, Brinda. Now, Srihari will chant the Shanti mantra. I can't hear you.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Thank you.
Thank you, Srihari. Now, vote of thanks by Jagdish.
Good morning to one and all present here. I sincerely thank all my dear friends in taking part of this auspicious event. This event is on the occasion of International Yoga Day, International Music Day, and International Reading Day. I also offer my special thanks to Director, Principal, Vice Principal, and our beloved teachers. Once again, have a great day and have a great weekend. Thank you.
Sure.
Blue color chin box loan.
Harshita, please mute. Thank you, Jagdish. Thank you all.